हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब अच्छे से होंगे और आप सभी का मोस्ट वेलकम है आपके अपने चैनल पर। दोस्तों, आप सभी का इस चैनल पर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ मैं आने के लिए। और दोस्तों, इस चैनल पर आपको ऐसे ही कंटेंट्स मिलते रहते हैं। हम इस चैनल पर एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड और बच्चों से रिलेटेड, गेम्स से रिलेटेड, एंटरटेनमेंट से रिलेटेड वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं। और दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट्स अच्छे लगते हैं, दिल से आप पसंद करते हैं, तो वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा, क्योंकि आपके एक लाइक से हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है और हमें अगली वीडियो बनाने का दिल करता है। और हमें ऐसा लगता है कि आपको हमारी जो वीडियो है वो पसंद आ रही है और हमने जो इस वीडियो में मेहनत की है वो रंग लाई है। तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर ज़रूर करिए, ताकि और भी जो हमारे दूसरे व्यूवर्स हैं वो भी हमारे वीडियोस से फ़ायदा उठा सके। और इस चैनल पर आपको ऐसे ही एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, एंटरटेनमेंट से रिलेटेड, नॉलेजफुल वीडियोस मिलते रहते हैं। और चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, क्योंकि हम जब भी कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे उसकी सबसे पहली नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलेगी और आप हमारे वीडियो से फ़ायदा उठा सकेंगे। तो दोस्तों, इसी तरह अपना प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए, क्योंकि आपका प्यार और सपोर्ट हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। और ये चैनल आपका है और हम सिर्फ यहाँ पे आपके लिए आते हैं और ये कंटेंट्स आपके लिए अपलोड करते हैं। तो एंजॉय करिए हमारे कंटेंट्स को। और आपके कुछ कमेंट्स होंगे तो कमेंट करते रहिए, सजेशन होंगे तो सजेस्ट करते रहिए, हमें अच्छा लगता है आप कमेंट करते हैं तो। और हम फिर मिलेंगे आपको फिर किसी नए वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए दोस्तों, आपके इस छोटे भाई को इजाज़त दीजिए और चैनल पर इसी तरह प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए, क्योंकि आपके प्यार और सपोर्ट के बिना दोस्तों हम कुछ भी नहीं है। तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सपोर्ट करिए और कंटेंट्स अच्छे लगे तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें दोस्तों, क्योंकि आपके एक सब्सक्राइब से हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है और हमें आपके सपोर्ट की बहुत ज़रूरत है। तो प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए। और मैं फिर आपसे कहूँगा कि इस चैनल पर आपको ऐसे ही एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, गेम से रिलेटेड, बच्चों से रिलेटेड, एंटरटेनमेंट से रिलेटेड वीडियोस मिलते रहते हैं। हम ऐसे ही वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं। तो बने रहिए हमारे इस चैनल पर और इसी तरह प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए। अपना ख्याल रखिए। हैव अ नाइस डे।
It pitched in line, hit in line, impact would have been on leg stump, maybe middle stump. Was out by the time Shreyas Gopal came into bowl, but the idea was good. That'll be 4. There was width on offer. Not the best way to end the over. Gets a boundary. 8 done. 46 for 4.
Really contributed at each and every step. That is something which I always wanted to mention it. Of course, Suraj picks up another one. So that is one of them, Raghuram Bhatt, and of course Vijay Krishna. I played along with Vijay Krishna, sir, late Vijay Krishna.
In total game of just 36 deliveries. This might just find the boundary. There are 3 fielders in pursuit, and it will. Talk about placement. Take some of that, says Suraj Ahuja. Quick to pick the short length, and he rocks back and deposits that.
Cricket is all about fearless, no intention of hitting it into the stands.
Take another one. You can't play the sweep shot to a full delivery. Shubhang Hegde will realize when he sees the replay.
Most of the bowling coaches, and that's exactly what he's done. Been fuller and wrong shot selection. Better off hitting it down the ground. Instead, he chose to go square of the wicket.
They can't afford to lose wickets. So close to losing one more. He's into the 30s now. Height, yes. Distance, no. Which means Suraj Ahuja will make the walk back.
But clever bowling. He's maintained a line outside off stump right through. We saw in the last over. And that's one of the reasons fine leg was inside the ring.
How far? Goodness gracious. The strength and the timing of Aniruddha Joshi, one of the biggest sixes we've seen today.
In the slot, closer to the stumps.
He hasn't timed that at all. Can you believe it? Lochan Appana takes the catch. Another Lochan Gowda, sorry.
Not a no ball. Stayed low. Then the previous one much closer.
Their strategies and come back and play the next few games there.
Struck nice and hard, will be four. That was absolutely from the middle of the bat. Kranti Kumar is one of those who's always done well. You call him a utility cricketer, and he's got utility 10 on 10. Been closer to the third 50. Staring down the barrel are the Bangalore Blasters. Another boundary. Beautifully struck. One of the front foot and one of the back foot. That'll be four again. 3 fours in the over for the Blasters. Rakshit this time. That is shot and that's gone. That's exactly what I said. He's hit that as clean as a whistle.
Probably you know better than Kranti his own pulses. Fabulous cricketer, no doubt. Gurbaksh just a tinge of shot. Kranti never misses this. Oh, that is something anyone would love to take on that one.
That'll be four again. Very, very really smashed that ball to extra cover despite the heavy outfield. Got there in a jiffy. 17 gone. 1, 2, 3 for 7. Can he go? Oh, the fielder coming there, calling nice and early. Nikin Jose, a safe pair of hands. He's not going to make a mistake.
Darshan Pricks is the third one. This is a slow one, back in the length, back of a length. Rakshit could not hit straight up. That's how the interesting should be.
In the air, will be out as well. Dheeraj Gowda, the fielder on that occasion. Easy catch for him. Golden duck for Lavish Kaushal.
Can't believe this. Darshan, another slow one, picks up another one. He got 4. 4 for 31 of 4. What a spell.
Down the ground, beautifully struck. That'll go all the way. Straight on the boundary cushion. They should go back for 2. They should go back for 2. The throw is good. Oh, brilliant throw. Hit. Bignil Narona, umpire Jaipal has already given it. He's not going to go up. A second golden duck for the skipper Mayank. Woefully out form. MG Naveen got a duck, and then it was down to Suraj and Kranti Kumar, 38 and 39 respectively, to take them to some goal. Well, take a look at those figures. 4 overs, 9 runs and 4 wickets. With 17 dot deliveries, an economy of 2.25. He set the stage for Mangalore Road Dragons and put Bangalore Blasters on the back foot straight away.
Gone! First bowler! What a start for Santokh Singh! Ran in with full steam.
Making a huge impact. Bottom of the bat coming in. Knocking off the leg bail.
Crunches it off the back foot. And raced away to the boundary. Found the gap.
4.
Has he timed that at all? There's a fielder going backwards. Guess who it is? Oh, they're fired up. There's lots of noise at the Chinnaswamy because Bengaluru are turning up the heat, and how?
Desperate attempt to hit over the top.
That's down the ground. You will get balls like that. Nikin Jose, one of the bright stars in Karnataka cricket.
So many sixes.
That's beautifully struck. Will be 4. It was short, it was wide, it was asking to be hit, and it got the treatment it deserved. Nikin Jose looking really good this evening.
Started really well with the ball, and we are at a very good position at the moment.
Yeah, right when we see that Nikin Jose strikes 6, that's a top shot. But Tell us what was the talk at the halfway mark when 145 was the total, you all said.
You just need to come into the party, that's it. He's striking the ball well. It's all about, him spending some more time.
Maybe you know what, a catch went down, but a catch was taken now. I'll send it back to the comm box. Thanks for chatting with us.
Long hop by Shubhang Hegde is the longer boundary straight to the veteran Anirudh Joshi.
Clean. So good to see. 1 bounce and a boundary to get Shreyas Gopal going. He's got lots of height on that. I don't think he's got the distance. This could well be a massive moment in this game, a game-changing moment if you will. Right now. Skillful. Really high quality batting from Nikin Jose. And you know he's the main man from here on in. That is a good shot. No fielder. There it goes. For 6. Top shot from Lochan Gowda.
Consistently.
That's beautifully played. He anticipated that. 1 bounce over the boundary cushions. That's very smart batting by Lochan Gowda. A little ramp. Moved outside that off stump. Helped it on its way. 4 very, very important runs for the Dragons. Oh, beautifully hit. What a way to bring up your 50. That's gone many, many a mile. He hit that really high, wide and very handsome. First 50 for him this season.
Right over the square leg fielder. He just stood watching the ball pass his head over. This is a brilliant shot.
I did mention, Sunil, that he needs to time the ball, and that's what he did over there. Many a mile. There it is again, down the ground. That'll be 6 as well. No problem there. The fielder should have been about 15 feet to hold that comfortably. 15. In the air and gone. On the second attempt.
That's a perfect breakthrough from Lavish Kaushal. Mohsin Khan there after 3 juggles.
Joe. Oh, lovely. Nicely played. Once it gets onto those practice pitches, it just races away. Good way to end the over. Lochan Gowda is playing the ramp really well. 18 done. 1-2-6 for 5. Oh, he's gone. Bowled him. Like I said, Joe, keep it nice and straight, nice and simple. You miss, I hit. 19 done. 130 for 6.
This is a fabulous finish for the 19th over. MG Naveen, a fabulous cricketer, finishing well for Blasters.
What is it going to be? Beautifully struck down the ground, but it's in the air. The fielder coming under it. A beautiful catch. Anirudh Joshi, the veteran, comes up with an absolute catch from out of nowhere. 6s. That'll be 4. Beautifully struck. That'll be 4. So they need 8 now of 2. Very possible, Joshi. No ball. Lovely. Fabulous end to this game. The Bangalore Blasters at one stage looked completely out of the game.
Gopal, Lochan, Siddharth, Jose, Set, Siddharth. Those 3 guys, Jose, Siddharth and Gopal is the main guys for Dragons to really do well.
The Kalyani Bengaluru Blasters, Santokh Singh, take a look at that. 2 for 11 of his 4 overs with 14 dot deliveries. That's a little more than 2 overs that were not scored off. Match 16, Kalyani Bengaluru Blasters put into bat. 144 for them. Well below par score. Kranti Kumar was the lone man who took them to that score.